Close your eyes and picture this 30 days from now. Your skin is glowing, your hair is shining, your grades are straight A's, and you're rocking that confident vibe like never before. And now open your eyes and start working for it to change this dream into reality. This video will be your perfect roadmap for making this dream into a reality. It doesn't matter what your age is, making yourself your best version should be your top priority. A real glow up is transforming into the best version of yourself inside and out by improving your confidence, mindset, health, and overall self care. According to studies, if you start a new habit today, it takes 30 days to adopt it, and winter arc is perfect time for it. While everyone else will be wrapped in blankets watching Netflix, there will be someone focusing on themselves, and it's you. So let's start first is analyzing your body. You might have noticed that whatever celebrities wear looks good on them. But if you try the same thing, it might look weird on you, whether it's glasses, jeans, or tops. The reason behind this is they know their face type and body type best colors, and you don't. To achieve a true glow up, you need to know your own body type and face type. So basically, there are 5 face shapes to determine your face shape. You need to open this app and upload a makeup pre-photo. Make sure to take the photo in natural light and avoid using any filters. The app will then tell you your face shape. Now, if you have a round face, we want to give the illusion of a longer face. So opt for clothes with vertical lines like long flowing tops or jackets that are a bit longer. V-necks and scoop shirts are your best friend, and stay away from round necks or super loose clothing that might emphasize your face's roundness. Second, for those with a square face shape, we want to soften those angles. Try wearing soft flowing fabrics or clothes with curved lines. Off-shower tops or dresses with rounded necklines are great choices. These will add a bit of floor to your look and create a balanced appearance. Third, if you have a heart-shaped face, you can balance out the width of your forehead and chin by adding volume to the lower half of your body. Try aligned skirts or pants with a wider hem to create more balance, and avoid clothes with heavy necklines. Opt for soft draped tops to keep things smooth and flowing. Fourth, if your face is diamond-shaped, you want to focus on your neckline and shoulders. Go for sweetheart or scoop neck tops to balance out the width of your cheekbones, and stay away from clothes with sharp angular lines. Softer, rounder styles are key to making your face shape. And lastly, oval face shape. For oval shape, square-necked, open shoulder or collar shirts are best. Avoid turtleneck or Henley neck. Second is skincare. Apply pimple patches for pimple and acne. A quick and effective solution of pimple and acne made with hydrocolloid. They absorb pus oil and impurities from surface-level pimples, reducing size and redness overnight. Some pimple patches are designed to be invisible or ultra-thin, taking them perfect for daytime use. Use ice cube water for your skin. There are so many celebrities who use this, like Jenny, IU, Sana. Ice cube water helps soothe inflammation, reduce puffiness, tighten pores, boost circulation, and refresh your skin, giving it a natural glow. It's a quick and simple way to rejuvenate your skin, especially in the morning. Again, sweat. Just remember to wrap the ice in a cloth to avoid irritation. Wrap an ice cube in a cloth, gently apply it to your skin for 1 to 2 minutes, then pat your skin dry. Do twice. Skincare. I have seen many girls show laziness in doing it. You just need basic skincare routine for a youthful looking face. Always purchase products according to your skin type. First is cleanser. This step removes dirt, excess oil, and impurities that can clog pores, helping to prevent acne and breakouts, which are common in teenage skin. Second is toning. A toner helps balance the skin's pH, tightens pores, and can provide hydration. It also removes any leftover residue after cleansing, leaving the skin fresh and prepared for the next step. Third, moisturizing. Even oily skin needs hydration. A lightweight moisturizer keeps the skin balanced, preventing dryness and ensuring the skin remains soft, smooth, and healthy. And lastly, sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing sunburn, reducing the risk of skin cancer, and stopping premature aging. It also helps maintain an even skin tone and keeps your skin healthy. Daily use is essential for long-term skin protection. Third is physically fitness. A true glow comes from being both physically and mentally fit. While self-acceptance is important, the reality is that society often places a higher value on physical appearance. Taking care of your body not only enhances your confidence, but also reflects discipline and self-respect, which naturally attract others. You can do 45 minutes of daily exercise to stay physically fit. These 45 minutes should include a mix of exercises like stretching, planks, and yoga. A mix of these exercises ensures a balanced fitness routine, enhancing both physical and mental health. There are so many good videos on YouTube for this. Fourth is hygiene. Hygiene is regular cleanliness which make you look clean and healthy. Let's talk about bathing. Showering daily or at least every other day with mild soap and warm water helps remove dirt, sweat, and bacteria. It's one of the easiest ways to start your day feeling fresh. Next, hair care is key. Wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week to avoid it getting oily. Keep it clean, but don't overdo it. You want to keep your scalp healthy. Now let's talk about oral hygiene. Brushing your teeth twice a day and flossing regularly keeps your breath fresh and prevents cavities. A clean mouth makes a big difference in how you feel and how others see you. Wash your hands after using the restroom, before eating, and after touching dirty surfaces to avoid germs. When it comes to intimate hygiene, just keep things simple. Your body takes care of itself, so avoid using strong products. Hope this video was helpful for you. So if you want part 2, then comment for it. Thank you so much for watching.